Wala sa school, hindi mo iniwan. Sabi niya, isulat muna daw dito. Dito sa page 61.
Pizza.
Hinintay pa yung mahina yung internet sa dito. Identify the gender of the following nouns. Ito ha. Okay.
Hey, akin na sino. Nicola, what are you doing? Your screen is so messy. You're in a spaceship. Spaceship. Alien took you. The alien took you. What? Wait, I have to fix something. Take up your spaceship, Bex. Who take up it? I cannot see your whole body. No, take up it. Take up your effects. I'm the only one. Okay. Where's that? No. Take off your effects. Take off your effects. Oopsie, I think she's rough. I think you're rocking now. Go take off your effects. Done. Northeast. Station? Where to? Tatapat mo na, sir. Ayun, nakita ko na po. Tatapat mo na. Malap. North. South. Yes. I'm gonna get water. Energy drink. Yes. This is time to kakain pancake. Lola! Lunch time na.
Hindi pa. O, pakita mo yung ano mo. Yung ginawa.
Hindi pa ako tapos.
Hindi, alisin mo yung kamay mo.
Hindi pa nga ako tapos. Okay. 250.
You will write, so you need to identify. Like for example,
Piram. May sugar. Masarap naman. May sugar din yun. Nasitigil ko. Sugar.
Oo. Kunti lang. Hindi, mataas nga eh. Pag carbohydrates, mataas.
magbubuan ng wika paano si Ranza.
Hindi.
Makahatch siya.
Tata.
Na,
Healthy po yung black chocolate.
or you sure? Dark chocolate is how you over that. It is greens or fat.
What?
Sa carbohydrates po, ano yung mga
We have used to that.
oh, like you,
Like
si Amara, Mira and other grade level po.
Is Caleb? Caleb, she's a new student.
Caleb, no. Caleb is old student and he's an ungrade po.
Why she's old student?
Sa ano, sa coaching. Yes, Amara.
Hindi ko mapasok na. Amara is a new student.
Alexandra. Wala po sila teacher. British dad po.
Hi, Caleb. Caleb.
Caleb.
I thought it's Caleb. I thought it is.
Done properly.
Caleb? Where's Caleb? Hindi ka.
Si Caleb.
Oh, because Sabi is in his house. Join again. Where's? But Caleb not join.
Wala pong mag-aasikaso kay Caleb, kaya hindi po siya
Oh, he's think.
Ano mas gusto nyo? Online class or face-to-face class?
What is face-to-face class?
Face-to-face class, yung makakasama nyo yung mga classmates nyo.
Maybe face-to-face class.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Bob. It's much better. I will see Alex there.
Yes,
But then, kung kami dito sa healthy and healthy food, ng mga vegetables.
hindi mo na po. You need to write muna kung saan. You need to identify mo. Kung carbohydrates. Yes, Amara.
Do you have any questions, Rancel? You have any more questions?
Rancel.
Water is energy.
Ano?
Water is energy.
Butter is energy, no?
No water.
Water? Yes.
And lemons.
Lemons, your favorite, huh?
Yes,
The spelling po namin.
Spell po, spell.
Okay. Why Alex did not join?
Wala po internet connection. Put your hands together, bow your hands, look your hands. Dear Lord, we thank you for your good wonderful day. Thank you for the love and love that you give to us. Thy breath I will continue my
Teacher, good day class.
What? Di pa lang. Level class na po. Give me names na po. Bye!
Bye. Bye. Oh no, it's time to play.
Please don't forget to subscribe for more similar video content, educational material, family, people, events, and general interest.